In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Poppo Live account. But before we get started, make sure that you already have the Poppo Live app already downloaded on your phone. Then now all you have to do is open up the Poppo Live app. Now here you can see this login buttons. You have an option to log in with Google, log in with Facebook, or more login methods. So you don't have to worry if you don't see a sign up or create account button because you can still create an account just by logging in with these platforms. And to create an account, just choose from the platforms to log in. In my case, I'm just going to pick Google. So accept user agreement. Choose your account that you would like to use. You will be asked to grant access permissions, so just click on agree and share. Now here you will be asked to complete personal data, so just add in your nickname or username, your date of birth, country, and gender. Also, if you have a referral code, or they call it inviter ID, then once done, head over and click on the submit button. And just by that, you have now successfully created your Poppo Live account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!